Hello everyone and welcome back to our excavator series, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change a bucket on one of our 8-ton excavators. Let's get started. Just a quick reminder, when you jump into your excavator, make sure you use 3 points of contact. First things first, you need to get the machine started, so pop on your seatbelt. And for any more help with starting up the machine, check out this video above. Okay, let's get started with changing your bucket. Lower your left arm armrest, pick up your bucket with your boom and curl it all the way around as far as it will go. Then hit the quick hitch button that you'll find on your dash and curl the bucket again until you see the pins release. Now simply lower your bucket to the floor and get ready to pick up your new attachment. Once you've got to your new attachment, simply pick it up and couple it up as normal. And then hit the quick hitch button to lock the pins. Curl your bucket all the way around and then just do a slight pressure test through the floor to make sure the bucket is attached correctly. You've now successfully changed your bucket or attachment on your 8-ton excavator. And there you go team, that is the correct procedure to change your bucket on one of our 8-ton excavators from WHC Hire. Now if you come into any more problems whilst changing your bucket and the sequence hasn't helped, please get in contact with your local depot as soon as possible so we can ensure the machinery is working properly for you. Thank you ever so much for joining me in this video, and until the next one, take care and bye bye for now.